Today we are sharing a very simple strategy that you can use in your everyday trading. Now this is the chart of Nifty. This is a 30-minute time interval, and let's say you draw this trend line and there is a trend line breakout. So Nifty has traveled from this point to this point. Now if you know what is an impulse, so if you mark the impulse on the chart, you can see this to this part is a very fast movement. And if you have knowledge about corrective patterns, then you can see this is a corrective pattern. This is known as running flat. So our theory says that every impulse followed by a corrective pattern, you can always expect the next impulse. So we, on looking at this chart, we can say that this pattern is complete. Now after this, we have to compare the MACD for these two impulses. And if you see on the MACD, there is a clear divergence. So at this moment, you are observing that you are expecting market to either give a reversal or a corrective pattern. And as expected, market has broken this trend line. And you can see this is also a corrective pattern known as regular flat, in which we get a first impulse followed by a corrective pattern and correction, and then follow-up impulse to the downside. So the key point to observe is that this correction is bigger than this correction. What do you mean by that? If you see this correction, it was completed in around 2 days. And this correction started on 30th December, and today is 4th, and it is already bigger in time, as it is taking 2 to 3 4 days, more than 2 days. So this correction is bigger than this correction. So when are you expecting a bigger correction? When there is a divergence. This can be a bigger correction, and or this can be a reversal. So how these simple strategies using waves and time, you can always benefit. And next time when someone says that you cannot time the market, if you know all these theories, then the straight answer is that you can always time the market if you have knowledge about these things. So if there is any doubts or question, please post them as a comment, and please consider subscribing if this delivers value. Thank you.